Welcome to Casa Herminia, where luxury meets simplicity in the coastal paradise of Baler, Philippines. Scan the QR code on screen now, or check the video description for easy booking. This charming 4-star hotel offers a superior room design for travelers who appreciate both comfort and value. Picture yourself stepping into an elegantly appointed space with warm contemporary decor, your private retreat after a day of surfing or exploring Baler's famous beaches. The room features a plush king-size bed, modern rainfall shower, and thoughtful amenities like a flat-screen TV and minibar. What sets Casa Herminia apart is its balance of high-end touches with practical benefits. The 24-hour front desk means assistance whenever you need it, while free on-site parking takes the stress out of road trips. Families will appreciate the child-friendly policy. Kids aged 2 to 12 stay free, and the room's spacious layout comfortably accommodates both parents and little ones. With just one superior room available, you'll enjoy an uncrowded, personalized experience. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you time to arrive relaxed, while the breezy coastal setting ensures you'll wake up refreshed. It's the small details that make a stay here special: the attentive staff, the quiet exclusivity, and the convenience of being minutes from Baler's surf breaks and waterfalls. Whether you're here for adventure or pure relaxation, Casa Herminia delivers comfort without unnecessary frills. Ready to book your hassle-free escape? Don't forget to scan the QR code or use the booking link in the description. Your tranquil Baler getaway starts here.